When conducting workshops or creating learning content, one common challenge I face is the pushback on using sports analogies. While sports can be an effective way to demonstrate teamwork, performance, and strategy, not everyone resonates with them. Some participants don't follow sports, or they just don't feel connected to that kind of analogy. In fact, sometimes the instructor doesn't really understand the sport all that well, and the analogy falls flat or even confuses the group. When that happens, the analogy no longer serves its purpose and may even make things more complicated. So, I've found a fantastic alternative: cooking. After all, everyone eats, and many people can relate to the process of preparing a meal. Think about it. When we watch a chef at work, we can see the skills and technique in every chop, every stir, and every careful measurement. It's easy to understand how those actions, when executed well, lead to a successful outcome. So instead of comparing a team's performance to a football game or a race, I show a video of a master chef chopping onions. It's simple but powerful. We analyze the skill, precision, and technique involved in the process, similar to how we break down and define performance in the workplace. Just like in sports, success in cooking depends on mastering each step and executing it with consistency and attention to detail. Performance in the workplace works the same way. It can be broken down into key actions and measurable outcomes. And like cooking, it's not just about the final product. It's about how each task is performed with care and expertise along the way. This approach helps participants see performance as a process, one they can control and improve with practice, just like a chef perfecting their craft. It's a universal example that engages people, offering